Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the FedEx language from any other language onto English. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the web browser within which you are using your FedEx account. You can then type in fedex.com in the address bar and press enter. This will now take you into the official FedEx website. Now from this page, if you want to log into your account, you can simply click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on the first option, which will open up the login portal. You will then be able to enter your credentials to log into your account. But you can also change the website language without logging into your account. You can scroll all the way down from the homepage on FedEx and you will find the globe icon, which represents your country or region. You can click on this to change your country and region, and once you choose your country, you will see the available language underneath the country that you have selected. Simply click on the drop-down menu and then choose English. Once you click on the English option, the language interface for the FedEx website will change to English right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the FedEx language onto English. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.